welcome to the Motorcycle Live 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It has been a long time since I posted, but it feels so good to be back. So I'd like to welcome you to my video coverage of the Motorcycle Live Show 2024. The first part of the video is going to be showing you around the show, seeing what kind of bikes there were, what stands. A little later on in the video, we're going to get into the nitty-gritty, the test rides and things like that. There will be chapters at the timeline of the video, so if you want to skip ahead to see which parts you want to see, then you can do that. In the meantime, if you haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe if you enjoy the video, like, comment your favorite part, and hit that bell icon to be notified when I post next. So I'll leave you to the video. I hope you enjoy it. Enjoy the show.
With someone that actually
grandstand.
you go.
Here we go, spin to see what you win. A Triumph cup. Almost the bottom. Done. Oh, nice. No, Sophie's got a little keyring for you, and if you go over there, there's some super cool posters as well, okay? Grab one of those. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. You look.
That's not too bad. I could just about.
I can tiptoe it if I really, really want to.
Beautiful! Look at that smile!
Today's been mostly kind of B-roll. It was incredibly busy, so it's really hard to film. So many crowds, you just cannot get the camera out and just start talking. You just can't hear anything. You can't move, you can't see. But there are 4 halls. We've been through them all. This first part of the video is just going to be kind of B-roll, showcasing what we've been to, what we've seen, and hopefully I'll get out on the trail ride.
That it actually works.
Day 2, it's Sunday. We're just heading down to see a couple of bits we haven't seen until around about 11:05, because then I am booked onto the off-road trail ride. So while we hang around, we're just going to go have a look at Ducati, KTM and CF Moto, see what they've brought with them. Maybe a few other bits we haven't seen. So let's go check them out. That's quite nice, isn't it? As far as Chinese bikes go, CF Moto are really impressing me. I probably wouldn't have bought another Chinese bike until now. The 800 MTX, the price is to be confirmed, but if it's along the lines of anything else they've put out recently, it should be around the £9,000–10,000 mark, which is great for an entry level. There's a 450, which was £5,000.
Yeah, something like that, yeah.
And that would be ideal for someone trying to break into adventuring, like if Zen here decided to move up to a bigger bike. That could be something you should go for. It's decently priced. You're not going to care that much if you throw it down the road. Maybe I'll take something out from CF Moto for a test ride up at Fowler's.
Yeah.
And see how they do. You can tell as soon as you enter the Ducati area that this is where the premium stuff is. did all right. I didn't fall off, so that's the main thing. I quite enjoyed the African swing, so I may well book in an experience day or something. We've still got more of the event to see. There's some stuff going on the stage behind me. But right now we're just interested in food, so that's what we're going to go and do. So that's food out of the way. I don't know if I'll be able to make it to the road ride. There is one more like test ride event that I could do, but unfortunately it books out very, very quickly. And we may have left it a little bit too late to try and get signed on. So we just got to make it back the whole floor and try and book into that. So let's go see if I can get booked into the road ride. I want to have a go on like a Harley or a, dare I say it, Gold Wing. I just want to see what all the fuss is about are these big bikes. So fingers crossed. Not gonna lie, I'm quite upset. They put the sign out saying fully booked for the day just as I joined the queue. And there were literally like 3-4 people left in the queue. And this is our last day, so there was no chance of me getting out. I was hoping to try out the Rocket 3 or a Harley or something. So that's all of the rides I'm able to do. So I guess we'll just go look at a few things, maybe catch the show again, see some more stunts. Raven seems to be enjoying the mopeds. You enjoying the moped?
Go on, Eric, you're all right. Go, tail whip, bit of a tail whip. Go, stuff. What are you doing, Elliot? Oh, height. Just there, jumping. Oh. Oh. There. Up in the corner.
Go give that kid a follow. He has got some serious talent with a paintbrush. I could never. Those pictures are awesome. Just got approached while checking out his work, and I asked about commissions, like if he does commissions, and it was £4,000 to get a commission, which is insane. That he must be making a mint at his age, which I'm not surprised. Like his artwork is absolutely fantastic. So kudos to him, and I hope he keeps doing it and gets the recognition he deserves. Now we need to try this out. VR motorcycle ride. Let's get my daughter on it so she can feel what it's like to ride a bike. You want to have a go? VR. You put the headset on, sit on the bike, and you go for a ride. Yeah?
Okay, so it's actually quite a good
But I'm still doing that, but every now and then I have to adjust it slightly. And do you know how to adjust it?
Which figure that?
Weird.
It's an adventure pad.
Mini GP stuff on these.
It's nice to see Kawasaki bringing back the Eliminator and a 450. Do you like it?
Right.
It's relatively small as far as cruisers go. It's smaller than the Rebel. So that was the BSB Ride Simulator. I came in third. I had to queue for about an hour to get in. And the other guys couldn't stick around. They had to get to the stunt show, so I'm just off to find them now down at Hall 4. And after that, we're pretty much done.
All right. Don't go that way again. He probably should take a longer straight with that. How crazy is that? Up on the tank. Now, we just go and go. So then they've not limited the power. They've changed the power back to more torque at the bottom end. As he flies by, please show your appreciation. Put your hands together. Make that massive noise. Shout me with this. Shout to Jamie. Whitley. With one side. That was so deep. A little bit salubrious. Yes. Yes, on Aaron. The Superman Seacraft, that handstand on the back of the the Jenkins bike with one down. So that's great. The double grab. You saw Aaron go one hand. Now you with both. See how close the bike is to landing the push. The shout in as well. What's it going to be now? Oh, there was a lot going on there. I apologize. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about him. So let's see if we get all three in the air at once. Stay nice and tight. 1, 2, 3.
Right, so that wraps up Motorcycle Live. We're going to head back to the hotel now and get some rest. It's been a long day of walking around. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to be notified when I drop a new one. See you in the next one.